Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video I'm going to explain one question about lesson 15.2 which is in your revision sheet page number 15. Okay, in this question they are saying identify the quadrant according to the statement. Okay, now whenever we have a unit circle, so we have different quadrant, right? This is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. Yani, how many trigonometric functions we have? We have sine, cosine, and tan. Okay, sine mean y, cosine mean x, and tan mean what? Y upon x, right? So now, here we need to check that where sine is positive, sine is negative. Where cos is positive, cos is negative. Where tan is positive, tan is negative. So keep one thing in your mind that in first quadrant all are positive. Because even as a coordinate plane, x and y both are positive here. So all are positive here. Sine, cosine, tan, all are positive. But in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. Because in the coordinate plane, if I ask you, here x is positive or y is positive, you will say miss y is positive, right? Because this is left side, so x is negative, y is positive here. So y mean what? Sine. Here sine is positive. But other values, cos and tan both are negative. Why negative? Because cos is x is negative here. Yes, sine is positive, cosine is negative. So if one is positive, one is negative, then tan should be negative. Because tan depends on y and x. So here all are positive. Here sine is positive. This, when I am writing here sine, it means sine is positive, but cosine and tangent both are negative here. In the third quadrant, x and y both are negative, right? So if both are x and y both are negative, it means tan will be positive because negative into negative, positive. So in third quadrant, tan is positive. It means sine and cosine is negative here. And in the fourth quadrant, because x on the right side is positive, so cosine is positive here. And the tan is negative. And sine is also negative here. Okay. So all mean all are positive. Sine means sine is positive, but what is not here, that is negative. Tan mean tan is positive here, what is not here? Sine and cosine both are negative. Cos mean here cos is positive, but the other two are negative. Okay. They will not give you this in the exam. You should know about this. Okay, they will give you only the statement. For example, here what is the statement? Sine is positive and tan is negative. You have to identify the quadrant. In which quadrant this statement exists? So sine is positive. So where sine is positive? In second quadrant. And they are saying tan is negative. So definitely we don't have tan here, and it means it's negative, right? Yes, sine is positive here and tan is negative. So second quadrant. Now cosine and sine both are negative. So it means x and y both are negative, right? So where both are negative? So you will see here. You don't have sine and cosine. So both are negative in third quadrant. Now cosine and tan both are positive. If they give you both are positive, any two they give you and they are saying both are positive. So where all are positive? In first quadrant. So it should be first quadrant. If they are giving you two are both, whatever trigonometric function they give you, and they are saying both are positive, so it should be in the first quadrant, because in first quadrant all are positive. Okay, but in other quadrant only one is positive, other are negative. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, other are negative. Tan is positive, other are negative. This is cosine is positive, but other are negative. Okay, so this question according to the quadrant, and you should know about this. Okay, then you can write. Now here we have a error question. They give you a point here and they are telling you that this man, what he did for the tangent, he want to find the tangent value. And he's saying that the tangent value is -5. But we know that for the tangent, it's always equal y over x. In the tangent, we don't need r. And y over x mean it will be -4 upon 3. And -4 upon 3 is what? 4 over 3. It's not -5. It means he is wrong. Okay, so you should write properly in the exam if they give you this type of question or the error question, that he is wrong. because for the tan we don't need r, so no need to find r, and tan is equal to y over x. So directly we can get from the points, which is negative 4 upon negative 3, and it's 4 over 3, not negative 5. Okay, so this is about the error question and about the quadrant. Thank you so much.